Captain, come back!
Anna, do you hear that?
Yes, what is that sound?
Children, stay close to me.
Mom, Dad, it's a whale!
Oh my goodness.
Okay, let me look. Look, is it breathing?
It is breathing. It's alive.
We have to do something.
Hello? We need help. There is a whale on the beach. Yes, it is alive. Please hurry.
Don't go near it. It could be dangerous.
But it needs help.
I am a little scared. Anna, come here, sweetheart. I am here. You are safe.
How far is it from the water? Maybe 10 meters? Maybe more.
Dad, what do we do?
We are going to help, Jack. Together.
Everyone, listen. Help is coming, but we need to act now.
We need water. A lot of water. Everyone, go to the ocean. Bring back water.
But we don't have any buckets.
We need to find something. Anything. Wait, I found a bag. We can use this.
Okay, use your hands like this.
Dad, is this helping? It's still breathing. Keep going. Keep going.
This is not enough. We need more people.
Please, we need your help. The whale needs us, all of us.
I'll help. What do you need?
Water! Get water from the ocean! Good boy, Captain. Stay with Blue.
Dad, what is that hole on top?
That is the blowhole. That is how it breathes. Like our nose, but on top of the head.
So it is like our nose, but on top?
Yes, Anna, exactly like our nose.
More water here. Pour it slowly, gently. Yes, right there. That side is dry. Marine rescue on the way, 45 minutes. Help is coming. They are on the way. But we need to keep going. 45 more minutes.
Look, a truck! Someone is coming!
I'm Cindy, Marine Rescue. I'm here to help.
Thank you for coming. Please, tell us what to do.
Breathing good. Skin needs more water. Pressure, yes. This is a humpback whale. See these long fins? That is how we know.
Humpback? What does humpback mean?
Look at its back. See this curve? That hump gives it the name.
Cindy, what does stranded mean?
Stranded means stuck on land, away from home. Blue wants to go back to the ocean. That is home.
But why? Why did it come to the beach?
We don't know yet, but we can help. That is what matters.
What do we do first? Tell us.
3 things. Keep it wet, dig around it, and wait for the boat. The tide is important. We must work fast. Like this, slowly. Let the water flow. Don't splash. Careful, not on the blowhole. It needs to breathe.
Oh, okay. Not the blowhole. Got it.
Good catch, Jack. Now you know. We need to dig. The sand is pushing on its body. Dig away from it. Gently. Make space.
Captain, stop! Stop digging!
That dog, he is trying to help. Base, this is Cindy. We have a juvenile humpback, stranded, still breathing. Yes, we need the pontoon unit. How long? Copy that. We will keep working.
Okay, my turn. I've got it.
I can do this. It's okay. Good job, Anna. That's my girl. Thanks, Mom.
Dad, you can rest a little. I can dig.
Not yet, Jack. Blue needs us.
Breathing steady. Good, Blue. Keep breathing.
Cindy, is Blue okay?
You named it Blue? That is a great name.
Yeah, Blue. It's perfect. Look at it.
Don't move, Anna. Don't move.
I'm not giving up, Blue. I promise. What would you do if you found a whale on the beach?
The water moved back a lot. Brown, the tide is going out fast. Blue is getting further from the water.
What does that mean for Blue?
The water is moving away from the beach. Blue needs water to swim back. If the tide goes, it gets harder.
Is that bad?
Yes, Jack, it is.
It's scared. Blue is scared. I'm going to it.
Talk to it, Anna, very gently. It knows your voice.
It's okay, Blue. I'm here. You are safe. We are all here. We will not leave you.
Captain, not now.
Dad, I'll help. Move over a little.
We are running out of time. Where is that boat?
Sophia, don't stop. We need you.
I know. I'm here.
Come on. Where are you? The boat. Where's the boat?
It's okay, Blue. I'm here. We're all here. Are you afraid, Blue? I'm afraid too, Blue. I was scared from the beginning.
Anna, it is okay to be scared, Anna. Brave people are still scared.
But they don't stop. Brave people, they are scared, but they don't stop.
That is exactly right.
Blue trusts us. I can feel it.
Yes. Then we can't give up. Thank you. Good work. Keep going. You're doing great.
Base, this is Cindy. ETA on that pontoon unit? We are losing tide. How long?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, copy that. 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes.
They're coming! 10 minutes! Keep going! 10 more minutes!
Yes, they're coming. I see it. The boat. It's here. The boat is coming.
Juvenile humpback. Breathing steady. Excavation complete. Tide is out. We have maybe 20 minutes. Family has been working for hours. They know the animal. The girl, Anna, Blue knows her voice. Use that.
Cindy, what are those orange things?
They help Blue float. Like a life jacket for a whale.
Everyone, is everyone ready? On my signal, gently, gently, together.
Shh. Blue, it's okay. I'm here. You can do this. I know you can.
Anna, is Blue ready? Can we try again?
Yes, Blue is ready. Push again.
Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going.
We
Yes!
did it!
Blue
thank
is free.
goodness.
We did it. We did it.
Yeah, we did it. Blue is free.
I am so proud of you. Mom, we helped Blue.
Jack, you did it, son.
We did it, Dad. All of us.
We did it.
We did it together.
Children, what did we learn today?
We learned to not give up even when it is hard, even when you are scared.
We learned to be brave, even when we are afraid.
When we work together, we can help anyone.
And Blue taught us that.
Goodbye, Blue.
Look, it's Blue. One more time.
What would you do if you found a whale on the beach? Tell us in the comments. We want to know. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye. Come back tomorrow.
Goodbye from all of us.
Keep learning, keep helping,